Technosankalp Solutions. Today we are starting our first basic breadboard activity, a simple LED blinking circuit for beginners. So let's begin this circuit. So material required for this circuit are breadboard, LED, 220 ohm resistor, 9 volt battery plus clip, Arduino for 5 volt power supply and some jumper wires. So we will first understand the LED. This LED has long leg, which means anode, which is known as positive, and the short leg, which is cathode, which is known as negative. Always use a resistor to protect the LED. Now we will place these components on the breadboard. Place the LED on the breadboard. Insert across the center gap. Connect the resistor to the cathode, which is short leg. Connect the other end of the resistor to the ground. Ground of Arduino board. Now connect the positive pin to the pin number 13 on Arduino board. Now we will upload code for this. For uploading the code, connect this Uno cable to the laptop or PC. Now you can see our LED is glowing. The LED turns on instantly. Our first breadboard activity is working. So this was our first breadboard activity, a simple LED blinking. If you enjoyed it, like, share and subscribe for more electronics activities. Next.